This is 1720 Lombard Street, large apartment building in Philadelphia. Bordering the Rittenhouse Square and Graduate Hospital neighborhoods. Beautiful tree-lined street. Rittenhouse Square is just a couple blocks north. Beautifully maintained apartment building. Very secure and safe. Code entry to access. This is some of the common area. Really pretty landscaping. A lot of very unique, character-filled apartments. This is the property. And really pretty. And there's all sorts of units here. This is the entrance for most of the units. There are some entrances along here. And one apartment in there. This is the mail area. How you doing? This is the mail area. Second locked door here. On every floor there's a trash chute. Okay, right there. This is the elevator to get to many of the units. Enter. Now we're going to the basement to show you the additional laundry services. Right here, some additional laundry services. Most of the units have stackable washer and dryer inside the unit. Okay. There is recycling in here. The trash can be dropped through the chute. Tons of security throughout. You'll see lots of cameras. And that is the majority of the common space. Now we're going to head up onto the unit floors for whichever apartment you're viewing now.
Hello everyone. I'm here on the 4th floor of the new the Beekman place. This building is located at 1720 Lombard. Just came out of the elevator. You have the exit here and also another one over there. Here is your elevator. I'm here to show you a one-bedroom unit. Beautiful one-bedroom unit, recently renovated. This is the hallway, and this hallway you have trash chutes here for your trash. And the unit I'm about to show you is unit 404. It is nicely renovated unit. As you walk in, you see this beautiful hardwood floor, a very high ceiling, huge windows for natural light. This is the front door. Just next to the front door you have this small closet space. You have a thermostat to control the temperature of the room. This is nice size living area. Be looking out through the window. You have this beautiful view of the city. There are three, even four windows in this living area. Here on my right, you have a modern kitchen. It's recently updated. Everything you see in this kitchen is brand new. You have stainless steel appliances, refrigerator, level door refrigerator with 2 drawers at the bottom. You have this nice gas oven and cooktop, brand new. You have built-in microwave. You have a lot of cabinet space. Everything is brand new. And you have a dishwasher, backsplash, garbage disposal, and also you have stuck up washer and dryer here, recessed lights, beautiful, beautiful kitchen. It is tucked away from the living area, so you have this space for your living area. Then when you walk in towards the bedroom, on your right hand side you have this nice bathroom. I didn't turn on the light, I'll turn on the light now. It's brand new tile floor, brand new bathtub, tile wall, beautiful throughout. You have sink, new toilets, medicine cabinets, lighting, and also you have additional medicine cabinet here. Nice throughout. Then you have your bedroom. Like units, whole unit has this beautiful hardwood floor, and you have this big, huge 2 closets next to each other. Here is the first one. Then a bigger one on the left. You also have this huge window for a natural light. This is your bedroom. You also have nice view of the city. All right, I just showed you a 1-bedroom unit in a building called Beekman's Place. It is located at 1720 Lombard. Very nice and quiet area. Very tight security. You have to go through a gate, like additional door to come to your unit. You have a central heat and a central air in this unit. I hope you like the unit. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.